Pascal, 4 little ones?
Yeah.
Is this one wearing you out?
Oh, now
It's taken out? Is he pulling?
yeah.
Where are you from, Pascal?
Switzerland. Oh,
Oh
now
my
it's
gosh.
pulling.
You're famous. Being from Switzerland.
Come on.
I've had, I think the furthest way I ever had a client or a customer was
Samoa.
Kenya.
Kenya.
So Switzerland is pretty close.
Oh, wow.
Europe, or no, South Africa. The phone number said Kenya.
Oh, now it's staying.
It's pulling.
Yeah.
That's what we want. That's the fun part, right?
Yep.
Gotta work for that.
It's always staying at the same depth. It's
Yeah.
Between 120 and 130.
Might be a big fish.
Yeah. I think so. I just turn and nothing happens.
Yeah.
I'll get these rods out and make it easier.
Do they get tangled sometimes, or?
I don't want it to, but yeah, sometimes. You know, just keep the rod steady and real. Just no, don't do that. If you pull them up too quick, it'll blow up the air.
Manuel, don't do that. don't
Make
do that.
Make smart choices.
Don't do it.
We don't want to wear them out too much, but we don't want to pull them up so fast that his air bladder gets blown up either.
Yeah. And we have to keep him.
You pull them like that, their head turns up, and then they. Yeah, we don't want to keep them. Their head will turn up and they'll float up really fast, and then they're.
Oh, now I'm winning. Oh no, he's winning.
How many feet?
I think we might have got tangled. Yeah. It's on this line. I can't figure out which way it's around. No, you're alright. Just keep running. It's around that line a little bit.
How many feet, Pascal?
You had to say tangle.
I jinxed it.
Staying straight now. No, that's the way the big boys do. Keep trying to pull line out.
Yeah, it feels just like if it's.
It might be a really big fish. So.
Biggest ever caught.
We're at 100.
Soon, 106. Oh,
There he
now
goes.
now it's pulling down.
That's all right.
Whoa.
I'll let him pull.
Okay, 33 meters to go.
How many feet?
100.
I know.
This is America, Pascal.
Your turn to calculate. I always have to calculate.
I
exactly.
know.
Always.
We're not driving the Autobahn at 150 miles an hour.
Yeah.
I know.
Autobahn.
But luckily my car has like American cars have kilometers and miles per hour, but their cars only have kilometers.
Right? Be careful with them. Don't high stick them. Keep the rod right there is where you want it.
Oh, now it's pulling down.
Really?
Yeah. Fuck, it's such a strong fish. Get back to 100.
Jeez.
Yeah, that might be him on the fish finder at 110 there.
Centimeters.
This is him right here, I think.
Depth.
I stick it. I mean, when I say that, don't pull the rod up any higher than that right there. That's perfect right there. You didn't do that. Did I hear that?
Yeah, you did. Just one clip.
Pascal.
Not real? Yeah. Okay, that's fine. It's fine to let him pull. This is a big fish. If you lose the fish, you're gonna hate yourself for it. So just do what I ask, and we'll get him. It might not be a super big fish. You might have like a hook in his head, but it could be 30 pounder. You never know.
Yeah, so I say it's 40 pounds.
It's 100 feet. That right there.
Now it's 80
That's the fish.
Oh.
It's 86.
Are you showing him on the
Yeah.
camera? You can see it?
Yeah. I can see both.
Really?
Yeah, look.
Oh, we're getting higher. 80 feet.
Yeah, he came up a little bit. That is him.
70. It's coming.
Don't pull him up too fast. Go nice and easy.
Easy does it, Pascal.
Yeah, don't let him come up super fast.
If you want that trophy picture.
There's another one checking him out. There's like,
It's
what's going
already in
on?
my mind.
See that other one right there?
Oh.
15 meters.
60 feet.
Oh, 50 feet. Oh, no, it's going.
That's okay.
Oh, it's pulling so hard. Ding dong, schnappy, schnappy.
Snuffy.
Schnappy, crocodile, schnappy, schnappy.
Schnee, schna, schnappy.
Schnappy, schnappy.
Man, he's bending that dial rod, huh?
Overized schnappy.
If he starts head shaking like violent, like that, just reel as fast as you can.
Oh yeah, now he's fighting really
pull.
strong.
Don't pull too hard on him.
It must be. Oh no, it's coming.
He's at 60 according to the graph.
Yeah, it took 10 minutes to get him up.
So far?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a big fish.
Yeah.
This might be over 20 pounds.
Whoa!
He's taking
No,
it.
it's going down to 50. Whoa, shit! Whoa, it's going down to. Oh shit, 110. Is that really a fish?
That's a fish, man.
Really?
It's a big fish. You got a big fish. Big fish.
Shit.
You might have a state record fish.
Oh, really?
Ooh.
Who knows?
Yeah.
You gotta get up here, Pascal.
Who knows?
We have to make him tired. Such a muscle package.
Oh, you have to wear him out to get him up.
It's a fine line. When they're this big, they can wear themselves all the way out to death.
Oh, wow.
So I need a big game,
You don't want to bring them up too quick so their air bladder blows up, but you
Yeah.
also don't want to.
But I think he's fine, so if he has that much power still.
But we don't want to, like.
Yeah, I don't
We
want
have
to
black
kill him.
acid, right?
Yeah.
These fish have similar things, so yeah, try to bring him up. I mean, not too fast, but he's way down there, 120 feet again.
So I was till 40, and then he took a shit that was like a torpedo.
It's a big fish. I'm gonna reach behind you real quick here.
Yep.
Grab this gloves. Okay, you're getting them up a little further now.
I was wondering, did you already charged me the reservation, or is it just on hold?
No. You paid them, but you haven't paid me.
Oh, so.
That's why I messaged you. Big fish on the line. Those dialects at 300s are They have a great drag system.
Maybe it's a European catfish, Donau catfish, 2.5 meters. That's 8 foot and
Oh, yeah,
3
uh-huh.
inches, okay? No 4 inches.
He's up at 80 feet now.
I can do
No,
like,
no 60.
Well, that's not right. You see it right here?
Oh really?
Yeah, see it? 80 feet. The counter's off a little bit. Maybe we didn't reset it. I don't know.
Oh shit, we really need that on video.
It's a long video. Thanks, Barbara, for doing
You
that.
just could
Yeah.
start a new one, Barbara. Oh no, it's going again.
30-minute video.
65 feet.
We have to be
We're looking
silent.
We're doing good here.
Okay, 33. No,
That's about 50.
50. That's 15 meters for you American guys. Is the net big enough?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, this is where they don't want to come out right here. He should be tired. They're big.
You wore him out, Pascal.
We got the Seagar fluorocarbon 12-pound Izzy X. Pretty good line. Nylon's getting close.
Oh.
Is he not wanting to go there?
16 feet.
Back down to 200 meters.
Scotty Downrigger, just move him out of the way.
Still. Such a powerful fish.
Yeah.
Crazy. Look at the rod.
Yeah.
That's the North Coast Series. Medium, heavy, fast action, 8 to 17 pound rod. That's a, you can catch a salmon on that rod. That's,
Oh, wow.
I know
It's a very thin rod.
it's a good rod.
Whoa! Shit! I can see the shot.
He's big.
Whoa!
Whoa!
My God. Oh shit! Okay, watch out. When he will see us, I think he will explode. He's still running down. Can you see that?
I know.
Oh, shit.
There he goes a little bit. It's a big one. Might be 20 pounds.
Well, very nice.
See him burp the bubbles.
Very nice hooked. Should I come in the back or can you get it? Wow! I think that's the biggest fish I ever caught.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, wow.
Big fish, man.
I'm wondering how many pounds.
Big fish.
Wow.
We're just gonna go around in circles right here.